Ang bilis ni Giulio mga idol, iniwanan ang dalawang mantay sa kanyang killer crossover. Pero John Manson ng team ng Cebu, binawian si Giulio at pinadapa pa sa kanyang own version na crossover. Maka-bounce back na kaya ang team ng Cebu mga idol or makasungkit na naman ulit ng panalo ang team ng Jinsan? Kaya tara mga idol, ating panoorin ang kanang full game highlights hanggang dulo. Cebu Grits versus Jinsan Warriors. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
A few times you'll see a miss in the perimeter para dito kayo masagla.
Meneses to Ogsang from close range.
The bigs are...
Pass behind June. Ogsang sa ilalim. Reeve Ogsang. Humingi na ng south. I don't think this is already past his average. His average only 1 point per game. 6 points para kay Kyle. Beichong against Gonzalez. Beichong, the drop step, eating up the space and laying that ball in. Oh good. Ogsang with a rebound. Tampos gets the ball there and boom boom Tampos. 17-13.
Just their fourth field goal make out of 16 attempts.
Nactalio. Adlawan fires and hits.
Sometimes you gotta be free and take those shots.
Kailangan eh.
Oo, kailangan. At yung mga bigs nila, yun ang tinitira kanina pa eh, no? Kasama ka sa labas, libre, you have to take it. I feel kung hindi mo itinira, ilalabas kayo. Mark from 3.
Oh man, Jens.
Points to Isabela out of the 19 turnovers that they committed.
Desiderio against Liu. He's blocked by Pacquiao. Save only to Adlawan, who's got 6 points.
Oh, look.
12 seconds on the shot clock.
There you go.
Adlawan has it. He lost his footing there.
Okay.
Desiderio pulls up. Jumper, no good. Martel with a rebound. Martel powers through.
Grabe ang cases, you have to pay for it.
Dionisio back to Cruz.
Usapan yun ba?
Ibang animal yun.
Oo, grabe.
Different beast altogether.
Take the shot. That's a good one.
Amon knocks down the but you know, still a quality player. Alam natin yan si Mactalio.
And really just siguro exploring different ways that he can help his team. See another made 3 right there by Kyle. That young gun.
Mamaya. Matatawa siya eh. Pag sa hang time. Oh, Joel Liu. Lee shooter.
Oo.
Namang ang Jensen.
Mismatch right here.
I think Hiruta will try to stand his ground against Paul Desiderio. Beichong with a tip in.
Hiruta.
Meneses trying to go coast to coast. Mark Meneses lays it in off the glass. Iba na guard to me in the MPBL is Nico Ilorde.
Oo.
On both ends. Marwin, a 3. Got it.
And I just love Marwin Dionisio finding his range.
Again.
Yeah.
Tagal dati di nakita yan.
Correct.
Marikina pa lang sa Marikina dati yan. No? Meneses, no? Was that a 3? Agawan sa bola. Nakuha ni June Manzo. Manzo. Waits for Meneses. He'll try again. Meneses. Back to back.
Taas.
Tambeling against Meneses. Tambeling fade away. Yes.
Ganda rin ang bitaw.
Oh. Beichong. Manzo. Andun si Ilorde. Cosari helping. Hamon to Meneses. Has to go. Mark Meneses. Jumper short. Tampos with a rebound. Bigay kay Meneses. Extra pass. Beichong. Little hang time. Meneses. Look what I found.
Wow. Oo. Totoo.
Manzo swings it over to Boom Boom Tampos. Masyado malakas sa kanyang tres.
Wow.
Boom Boom inside. What a finish. Nice pass.
Finding Boom Tampos on that dive from the weak side.
Tolentino rises for this 3. Oh, automatic. Kyle Tolentino. Inside, Manzo for
Oh,
2. Count the basket. 44-39. Sorella. Kyle will fire. Gets it to go. Steal. Boom boom nakabuelo. Labas kay Mac Talio. Talio in the lane. Tampos with a jumper. Yes! That's the foul. Differential game clock and shot clock. Basag lang. Almost taken away by Tampos. Tolentino. A blitz. Kyle already, you know. Cruz. Sidestep 3. How can you stop that? Season. Hopefully he will be okay. Beijong able to catch and miss.
Because size-wise, you know, mas malakas ito si Paul that close to the rim. Here we go again.
Desiderio, the post move. Not a serious league, okay?
Okay.
It's fun and games. Pero, syempre, may bragging rights yan.
Oh,
And
diba?
here comes Joel Liu.
Pinakita ka pa ng long stride. Miss na itong Jensen.
Yeah, 53-52. Meneses with an athletic finish again for Mark Meneses to go with the 9 rebounds. Liu with a crossover.
Hindi talaga.
Talio. Huli. Trying to go for the shovel pass. Janicio to Kyle Tolentino. Those long strides.
Tsaka iba rin kasi elevation nito eh. Solid eh.
Manzo attacks left teardrop off the glass.
Specialty of the
Manzo looks ahead. Manzo finds Tampos. He'll fire a 3. Boom, boom. Mintis inside. Another crack at it. John Hamon for 2. And Meneses for Cebu. Ogsang finds Meneses. Beautiful fake.
kilos dun sa action na yun, pero ang ganda rin ng pasa ni Reebok Sang. Understanding 2 on the ball. Recognize that slip by Mark Meneses.
Sorella, yes.
Oh, that was big.
And it's back to
But made 3.
Manzo to Meneses. No. And the stick back for Mark Meneses.
Ito na naman, solo coverage against Mark.
Manzo nearly lost his footing. Turnover. Cruz lets it fly. Got it.
Wow.
That was a big
Point difference point in the paint. And, 12 versus 3-point makes.
Cruz to Gonzalez. Puts the ball on the deck. Naagaw ni Boom Boom. June. Back to Boom Boom. Tampos with a finger roll. Mark Cruz. 25 seconds remaining. Gonzalez dumps it to Pacquiao. Wow. With a beautiful reverse basketball. 5 seconds. Manzo. Step back 3. Got it.
Literal na overplayed yun si Benza talaga.
Manzo gets it to Adlawan. He gets it back. No advantage pa rin. Adlawan will fire. Got it!
Man.
Adjust it.
Every defender just keeping in front.
Hamon with a big shot. Greats. Looking to extend this lead. Talio. Drop pass. Meneses. Hamon. A 3. Got it.
Wow.
6. Tolentino able to recover. He fires and gets it to go.
Goodness. Oh my goodness.
Cruz. Tupasag lang. Sorella. Sorella attacks and scores. 5-0. And look at that stroke. Layong-layo dun. Beijong able to score the jump. 5-point game. Lamang ang Cebu. Tolentino. Got it. It's a big shot.
Elevate yung tira no? Apex of the shot.
83-81. Beijong stays in control. Banks it in. 10 points para kay Alvin Beijong. And 6 on the shot clock, trying to slip it in to Marwin. Naagaw ni Meneses. Mark, foul, count the basket. 88-83. Desiderio. Meneses. He recovers the loose ball. He finds Manzo for the layup. Napa's got that heft as well.
Right.
Ang layo ng tinasik ni Rio. Slay some Giants here down the stretch in the season.
Without a doubt. Without a doubt.
Elorde looking for a way through. Nahanap si Masaglang for the layup. Elorde with the steal. Masaglang has it. Back to Nico. He draws the foul.
Amidst this pressure from Jensen.
Muntik pa mabitawan ni Gonzalez. Trying to get past Meneses. Gonzalez lays it in.
Good presence of mind to keep that.
Chance here for Jensen. Nico Elorde draws the foul and puts it in. Jun Manzo getting some precious time off the clock. And Elorde gives up the foul. 23 points now para kay Mark Meneses to go with the 15 rebounds.